Hey, welcome back to Joyce Michelle. I am her Joyce Michelle. So this is a whole new Get Ready With Me series that I'm going to be letting you all get into. So the makeup turned out great. Hair, still the wig. Link will be down in the description box. So again, I used the Nubian Earth palette for this eye look. I had really forgot about this, so I think I used it this time in the last Get Ready With Me, but I really like this. I need to use it more. So we use Maybelline Cloudtopia Cheek and Lip, and this one is in the color number 12. I can't see that, but this is the color. I used Kosas pink powder. I got the top right here. So I used the Kosas pink powder. I used NARS foundation, light reflecting, and the actual, what is this, face primer. Let's see, I broke out the NYX Buttermilk mascara, not mascara, highlighter, and the Maybelline Super Fluff brow. I really like this. Oldie but goodie, and I need to go order another one. Sephora micro press powder. Y'all know I always use my Morphe unless I'm using a specific setting spray. I used LA Girl Pro Conceal for the actual contour. And so yeah, that was the makeup look for this Get Ready With Me. I also donned the jacket that I got. It's not as dark as the pants, but it'll still go. It'll still ride. So hopefully you all will enjoy this. Everything will be linked down in the description box. And let me know if you like this Get Ready With Me.